Let me show you how I make the best high-protein plant-based hot dogs that are absolutely delicious. For starters, these are the spices I used for seasoning. These are the ingredients used to give the hot dogs that familiar mouthfeel and texture. This is for added depth, richness, and umami. I used aquafaba for added moisture and to help emulsify things together. This adds additional texture and protein to the hot dogs. Alright, now it's really important when making these to have a high-powered blender, or even better, a high-powered food processor. I also added a couple ice cubes to help prevent the blades from getting too warm, but it also helps emulsify everything that much better. Okay, now I'm adding my high-protein blended vegetables to some vital wheat gluten, which is also high in protein. I mix on medium speed until all the ingredients start to come together and pull from the sides and into the center. Once everything is fully incorporated, I refrigerate for 1 hour. I then form a rectangle and cut my desired portions. Then with a little bit of food grade wrap and parchment paper, I sprinkle a little bit of salt and liquid smoke and begin to wrap up the hot dogs, just to get that shape. I then wrap each one in foil and steam for about 45 minutes. I then remove them from the heat and allow them to hang out in the steamer for an additional 10 minutes. While still wrapped, I then take them and place them in the refrigerator to chill for 12 hours. You can cook with these the same exact way you would any other hot dog. I actually made them 3 different ways: baked like in pigs in a blanket, grilled with onions and peppers on a fresh made bun, and also in a Korean style corn dog. The full recipe will be up and available on my Instagram at vegan foodie.